Consider utilizing debt to create wealth, not burden. Think it's impossible. The rich do it daily and it's normal. In this context, debt liberates finances. Welcome to Money Craft Masters, simplifying complex financial issues or your everyday financial journey. Today, we'll show how wealthy people make money using debt. Not logical, most individuals avoid debt. But what if it might help you build wealth? Just join us as we explore this intriguing issue. However, these solutions have dangers and responsibilities. Have you considered how debt may enhance your finances? Let's remember that money is not black and white as we study this lesser-known financial method. Gray may take you to surprising places if you navigate it. Let's solve these puzzles and learn how debt, an economic nemesis, may generate wealth. And in this chapter alters debt perception. Debt causes financial calamity, stress, and constraints in many stories. What if I told you another side? Some believe debt helps the wealthy grow financially. First, define good and bad debt. Not all debts are equal. A bad debt like high-interest credit card debt may ruin you financially. Healthy debt may increase finances. A mortgage for a rental property or a loan for a business might generate revenue or appreciate over time. The wealthy exploit this, but how? Debt isn't enough. Use it wisely. They aim to get rich via loans. They understand the risks and expenditures and how debt will help them reach their financial goals. This sounds unsafe. Indeed, using debt as a tool requires strategy, expertise, and a suitable risk tolerance. This is our investigation. How do affluent individuals avoid these risks? How may debt-fueled ventures escape financial disaster? Stay tuned as we investigate debt-to-wealth strategies. Learn and implement these principles to your financial situation, not just copy. Next are the 6 ways the wealthy use debt. When we conquer wealth via debt, remember that knowledge helps us through financial turmoil. A risky path can lead to riches with the right mentality. Here are 6 creative ways the affluent use debt to grow rich. Consider debt a financial partner rather than an enemy. Next, 6 debt-based methods rich people earn. We start with leveraged investments. This makes the game interesting. Wealthy investors may borrow to invest more. Like pulling a heavy thing with a lever, it takes little effort but yields enormous results. They support borrowed money in businesses that earn more than loan interest. Although dangerous, the advantages may be significant. We examine real estate development next. Rich people's portfolios typically start with debt. They build or renovate properties worth more than the loan by funding real estate ventures, like planting a seed in borrowed soil and reaping a bountiful. Our next strategy is business growth. Have you ever wondered how little businesses become empires? Strategic borrowing is common. Business owners can develop with debt without diluting ownership. Debt management and empire expansion are calculated risks. It goes beyond making money. Tax benefits, our 4th choice, reveals debt's nuances. Loans with tax deductions reduce taxable income. It shields your wealth from excessive taxation. Also, asset leveraging. Rich people use their assets as collateral for better loans. A treasure you already have unlocks others. They were finishing with credit building. Rich people improve their credit scores by managing debt well, which increases their financing options. In high society, credibility offers access to elite opportunities. We'll analyze the intricacies and risks of these options. However, the affluent see debt as a financial magic wand when appropriately utilized. Keep an eye on these strategies. You may find the key to unlocking your wealth-building potential through loan use. Start with these fascinating concepts, then discuss strategic finance. Remember that money management involves risk and return knowledge and approaches. We'll demonstrate the wealthy's financial expertise by dissecting each method. Explore each strategy's secrets. Start with leveraged investments. Not just stock market trading, but purposeful moves. Rich people borrow to buy high-potential stocks, real estate, and businesses. However, they are market and time-savvy. Being a financial chess grandmaster is understanding when to move and when to wait. We explore real estate development next. Buy and flip homes too. Landscape transformation, value development, and community shaping are involved. Rich folks borrow to fund these projects, but they plan. Recognize the building's potential, financial expertise, innovation, and vision. The story deepens in business expansion. Debt can grow businesses, produce new products, or by competitors, no dangerous bet. Market research, measured judgments, and backup plans are typical of the wealthy. Imagine a high-stakes game with well-planned movements. Tax benefits, often overlooked, may change everything. It's more than a way for the wealthiest to reduce their taxes with debt. They understand and apply tax laws legally. Leveraging assets produces exciting results. Consider using your assets to get richer. Rich people borrow against their assets, but always ensure they are worth more. A careful balance requires asset evaluation knowledge. Finally, credit building is wealth development's unsung hero. Debt management helps wealthy individuals improve their credit ratings. This offers loans and options that are only available to those with excellent credit. As we evaluate each technique, remember that thought is as crucial as action. Wealthy individuals manage debt. It helps, supports, and, most importantly, leads to financial success. Stay tuned as we uncover more secrets and provide you the skills to apply them to your budget. Mastering debt is like a fine art as we learn about wealth building. Precision, understanding, and foresight are needed. Our next section will cover these tactics and provide real-life examples and exemplary stories to demonstrate the ideas. Capital and market expertise are needed for leveraged investments. Suppose an intelligent investor borrows to acquire a promising tech startup, which becomes the next great thing. Return on investment, astronomical. Real estate development requires deliberate investment and development to revitalize a derelict area. Developers utilize debt intelligently to create value and generate high returns. However, a project that encounters legal challenges, market downturns, or costs more than it earns is the opposite. Business expansion enhances the story. Picture a tiny family firm expanding nationally or worldwide with a loan. This is legacy building, not simply development. Overexpansion, taking on too much debt too quickly, kills businesses. Full financial planning and debt management may increase wealth by saving taxes, which are typically underestimated. Misunderstanding or exceeding tax regulations might result in legal trouble and economic catastrophe. Rich people borrow money for profitable initiatives, but over-leveraging can place them in a financial predicament where a market crash wipes out their borrowed and owned assets. In credit building, we learn about people who carefully manage their payments, opening doors to good credit, and about mismanagement that led to debt and financial ruin. These real-life examples and cautionary tales show that utilizing debt to generate wealth is risky and beneficial. Wisdom, discipline, and market knowledge are needed. Stay tuned as we explore risk management and debt wealth building. Understanding how the wealthy use debt is one thing. Applying these lessons to your finances is another. We'll fill this vacuum with practical advice in the next part. You must evaluate your income, spending, debts, and investment goals like a captain inspects his ship before setting sail. It's about planning your finances. Discuss leveraged investments next. Understand the market by reading financial news, taking classes, or contacting financial consultants before investing. The objective is intelligent investing. Research the local market, property demand, growth possibilities, borrowing costs, and ROE. Investing in a project with promise is more than owning land. Market research, consumer awareness, and step-by-step planning are vital for business development. Consider how more debt will affect cash flow. Tax advantages are complicated, so consult a tax expert to reduce your tax burden with debt. Asset leveraging demands caution. Use this strategy only if your assets are stable and valuable. Keep a repayment plan independent of your new venture's profitability. Finally, building credit needs timely bill payments, credit restrictions, and credit score monitoring. High credit scores increase borrowing opportunities. Finally, utilizing debt to build wealth is personal and specific to your financial circumstances. It takes perseverance, discipline, and adaptability. Our last session will recap the essential findings and offer concluding views on debt in your financial path. Stay with us. These tips might change your finances. We're almost done learning, so let's summarize and consider how these tactics might affect your financial future. Like an artist perfecting their work, we now refine our debt for wealth strategy. Our biggest lesson is that debt may create wealth if utilized intelligently and effectively. However, loan leverage must be adjusted to your financial condition, goals, and risk tolerance. Leveraged investments. Real estate development, business expansion, and other wealth building tactics include calibrated risk taking, intelligent decision making, and constant learning. Knowledge empowers. Second, stock real estate and business expansion require due investigation and study. Professional financial advice and education are crucial. Debt may lead to big profits, but also losses if not handled effectively. Therefore, a clear and realistic repayment plan must combine ambition with caution and guarantee long-term sustainability. Finally, good credit provides access to more excellent financing options, which can help execute these plans. Maintaining a good credit score requires good financial habits, including timely debt payments and appropriate credit utilization. Let this look to how the rich utilize debt may have piqued your curiosity and prompted you to explore more. Being aware and flexible is essential in finance, which changes continually. Thanks for visiting Moneycraft Masters. We strive to empower, educate, and inspire your financial path with additional material. To learn more about finance, like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing financial mastery. Till next time.